Have you ever stared at your resume and thought, what jobs am I even qualified for? So I remember when I was leaving teaching, I had no idea what else I could do. I didn't have AI tools and I didn't have job trees. So I spent a lot of time endless Googling. I felt very lost and I felt very frustrated. In this week's AI job search blog, I tested 6 different AI tools, all free, to see which one could best identify the right job titles for me. The winner, it was Claude. So it gave the clearest roadmap of qualified roles, stretch roles, and then kind of long-term goals. DeepSeek was really informative, and then Copilot also gave great next steps, but Claude was the best for both of those categories. AI is just such a better launching pad. You can also use job trees too. You can upload your resume and instantly see skills that you're a match for. You can see all of the roles. You can check the salary, growth stats, career interviews, plus you can explore open jobs. So we also have a new AI guide, Ollie, and it can walk you through the site if you're ever feeling lost. So if you feel stuck, like I did, wondering what is next, this blog and job trees will give you the clarity and some direction. So check it out, grab the free prompt, and start applying smarter, not harder. Ollie, our AI assistant, and job trees, all the tools are free for job seekers.